Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your Lucidchart account. Let's begin. Okay, so if you're looking to delete your Lucidchart account, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one option is going to be logging into your account here. And then once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click on it and click the account settings. This would forward you to your credentials. All right. And from here, and then go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the user settings. Hover down below, wherein there is an option here that says delete Lucid account. If you delete your Lucid account, your data will be gone forever. All you have to do is click this small button right here. All right. And then before you consider deleting your account, you want to make sure that all of your documents and boards, including those shared with other users, for example, if you're working with multiple freelancers or with a client, they will be permanently deleted. So you might want to back them up first, all right? Because you lose access to all of Lucid's products. Accounts with an active or scheduled legal hold can't be deleted, so delete the holds must be released. Now, after doing so, just click the continue with account deletion and you would be forwarded to the confirmation. But again, if you're having problems deleting your account here in Lucidchart, you might want to click the help button. And from here, type in some resources if you're having problems or encountering any issues deleting your account here. All right. They would give you guidelines and documents for you to take a look at. But if you really wanted to contact the support center, click the option here that says contact. But be forwarded here, click the details and just submit an email. And after a few business days, they will respond back with a feedback and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to delete your account permanently if you're having issues on it. All right. If you're going through your online accounts and wish to streamline deleting inactive or unused accounts, like Lucidchart can reduce digital clutter. All right. And you might be considering deleting your Lucidchart account. Make sure to back up again any important diagrams and cancels and subscriptions to avoid unnecessary recurring charges. All right. So basically, that's one of the ways for you to delete your account here in Lucidchart. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.